Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious, creamy hummus. We'll begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of cooked chickpeas, which are key for that smooth consistency. Next, measure out 2/3 of a cup of good quality tahini for an authentic taste. Don't forget 5 to 6 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to add brightness, along with 2 large garlic cloves and 1 1/2 teaspoons of fine sea salt. Now let's get blending for that perfect silky texture. First, combine the lemon juice, salt, and grated garlic in your food processor, pulsing to mix, then let it rest for 10 minutes. After resting, add the tahini and blend until it's thick and smooth, scraping down the sides as needed. With the blender running, slowly incorporate 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time. Finally, add the chickpeas, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, blending for a full 5 minutes until completely smooth. Once your hummus is blended, it's time to perfect it. If the consistency is too thick, add more ice water, just 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired creaminess. Always taste and adjust the seasoning. You might want a bit more salt, lemon juice, or cumin. To serve, spread your hummus into a shallow bowl, drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil, and sprinkle with paprika and fresh chopped parsley. It's wonderful with warm pita bread or crisp fresh vegetables. For the absolute best hummus, here are a few pro tips. Overcooking your chickpeas just a little bit will make them extra soft, contributing to a much creamier dip. While optional, peeling some of the chickpea skins can also enhance that desired silky texture. Remember to blend for a full 5 minutes. This really breaks down the chickpeas and aerates the hummus. Lastly, always choose a good quality tahini and use freshly squeezed lemon juice for the most vibrant flavor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.